Hello everyone. Today's video we are dealing with summary of unit number 2.1 Shiva's blessing. Last video we also dealing with the same summary in English and Hindi. Today we are point to point, line to line we discuss the summary and discuss the question answers. Okay. Examination point of view, you know the examination point of view. This topic will ask for 22 marks in question number 1 and question number 2. You know the course outcomes, writing skill also, speaking skill also. Then summary here. 14-year-old N Shiva Kumar was delivering newspaper early one morning. You know that he was 14-year-old, having in 8th standard and delivering newspaper early one morning. Did not have rupees 15,000 to pay his annual fee. He has not 15,000 rupees to pay his annual fees. Next, Shiva was about to toss a newspaper into Bangalore. He threw, because he worked as a delivery boy of newspaper, so he throw the newspaper into Bangalore. He saw new resident, a kind looking man named Krishna Vedvyas, washing his car. He is washing his car, and Shiva also washing car at early morning. So he requested Krishna Vedvyas, may I wash your cars? देखो, because his family condition is very poor. Shiva's mother had sold much of her jewelry to get him into Maruti Vidyalaya, an English medium ICSC, Indian International Certificate of Secondary Schools, an English medium ICSE board schools, Maruti Vidyalaya, near his locality. He spent all the jewelry because the mother and father want to give good education to his son. Shiva had started delivering newspaper by the age of 10, and at the age of 10 he started delivering newspaper at early morning. His day was start at the early morning 4 o'clock. Now had a routine that catered 100 homes, which brought in rupees 150 a month, and near about 100 homes he delivered newspaper and he got just 150 rupees per month. His family condition is very poor. His father was Nagendra, who was a taxi driver, drove a company lorry, now brought flowers that his wife strung into garland. But he is unemployed and his wife strung the garland, and the whole family, his father Nagendra, sister Yogeshwari, mother, and Shiva also sold the flowers garland at street corner and street. Shiva and his elder sister Yogeshwari sold the garland at traffic signals and other places after schools. If Shiva don't deposit, problem is that at the age of 14 he was standing at 8th standard and he has no 15,000 rupees to pay the school fees. He is unable to pay the fees, then the school will struck off. He will leave from the school. The school will call him as a dropout student. If Shiva don't deposit 15,000, he will be struck off the roll. His admission was cancelled due to the tuition fee, lack of tuition fee. The next day, Krishna meet the principal and some of his teacher. That's why Shiva requested Krishna Vedvyas to pay his tuition fee. But Krishna said that he didn't know him, how he is not familiar with, I am not familiar with you, I don't know you, how I can pay your fees. Then Shiva said that go visit my school and pay my fees directly to the school, means I continue my education. Next morning, so Krishna Vedvyas visited his school and he surprised to discover that the boy had always been a topper. He was topper in each and every class. Krishna paid the fees, and paying the fees at the start of every academic year. And Krishna Vedvyas is ready to pay his school fees, as well as he promised him that just concentrate on your study. I am ready to pay your every academic year fees. Shiva began working late into the night as a salesman in an electronic shop. In this way, Shiva completed his school education and become topper in 10th standard. Then Krishna Vedvyas advised him to take admission in 11 science, and As per the guidance which is given by Krishna Vedvyas, Shiva follow his instruction and guidance. As well as he is a hard worker person, he worked as a salesman during his 11 and 12 science. You must indulge in any with other people's money, she told Shiva firmly. Enjoy yourself when you can afford it. His mother advised him, you should enjoy yourself on your own money. Don't enjoy yourself with the help of other people's. Because there is one incident at the age of 16 or 17 when he was studying at 12th standard. His college trip was going to maybe one picnic spot at Karnataka state, and his teacher is ready to pay his fees, traveling fees, but his mother simply denied the offer and she said, enjoy yourself by your own money. Don't use another people's money to enjoy yourself. In this way, this is the moral and etiquettes of that family. Next, कृष्णा रिमेन हिज गाइड एंड मेंटर. कृष्णा कंटिन्यू. कृष्णा क्या करता है बेटा? गाइड भी है, मेंटर भी, इकोनॉमिकल हेल्प भी प्रोवाइड करता है और मेंटर भी. टेक अप आइदर मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग और कंप्यूटर साइंस. 12th पास हो जाए कृष्णा शिवा. देन Krishna Vedvyas become a guide and mentor for him, and he guide him to complete his education from engineering, take up either mechanical engineering or computer science. Shiva go choose computer science engineering, and in this way the advice which is given by Krishna Vedvyas and Shiva follow his advice and complete his graduation from computer science. He completed his B from computer engineering. At the same time, he is working as a software and hardware provider, repair, with the help of his friends. Now, Shiva left his job at the electronic store and started a computer repair service with a friend. Okay, देखो, at the age of 10th, he started newspaper delivery boy. At the age of 14th, he washed the car. At the age of 15 or 16, he worked as a salesman in electronic shops. At the age of 18th, he worked with a computer repair service provider with the help of his friend. Such type of duties, such type of experience, such type of work done by the Shiva in his various stage of life, and he continue with the same things. Shiva sometimes reported late for college. क्लासमेट गिगल्ड एंड टीचर रिबक हिम. क्योंकि वो काम करता था इसलिए लेट पहुंचता था, तो स्कूल में कॉलेज में टीचर्स और सब क्लासमेट उसको देखते हैं कि क्या थका हुआ आया है, कैसे कैसे लोग आ जाते हैं, ऐसे रिमार्क देने. ओनली आई न्यू व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन इन माय लाइफ. बट शिवा बोलता है कि मुझे मालूम था मेरे लाइफ में क्या चल रही है. हिज अर्निंग इंक्रीज सब्सटेंशियली. सब्सटेंशियली मतलब स्लो बाय स्लो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप हिज अर्निंग आर इंक्रीज्ड. He was still delivering papers but also had to visit homes and office to collect payments and acquire more customer. Business भी increase कर रहा है वो. Wipro selected him as a software engineer after a campus interview. देखो, graduation complete हुआ. Now Wipro is a well-known software company, and this company selected him because he's a hard worker. He's a very talented person. Obviously, company selected him as a software engineer. But Krishna Vedvyas, who is a guide and who is a mentor, he advised him to complete his MBA, to complete his post graduation. After that, you will get lot of good chances of services. He began to prepare for, and as per the suggestion which is given by Krishna Vedvyas to him, he prepared himself for IIM, Indian Institute of Management, and there is a CAT, common entrance examination, to take admission in IIM. Okay, he also enrolled in a CAT coaching classes. Krishna paid rupees 25,000 fees also. Shiva kept taking their notes and old CAT question paper to study at home. It is a secret which is followed by all of the person, maybe NR नारायण मूर्ति हो या कोई भी हो. समय नहीं था क्लास ज्वाइन करने के लिए, पैसे तो पे कर दिए कृष्णा वेदव्यास ने, बट घर का ब्रेड एंड बटर फुलफिल करना है. एकलौता है, एक only one person who fulfill the bread and butter of the family. समय नहीं, इसलिए देर रात तक स्टडी करता था, नोट्स लिया, क्वेश्चन पेपर लिया, घर में स्टडी रहा. Krishna called him home to conduct mock interview and to try out group discussion. Because देखो बेटा, IIM CAT के लिए पहला ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस रहता है, डिस्क्रिप्टिव रहता है, नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू रहता है. तो कृष्णा उनका हेल्प करता था, मॉक इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट करता था, ग्रुप डिस्कशन करते थे, करंट अफेयर्स इंप्रूव करते थे। इस प्रकार उन्होंने कैट कंप्लीट किया। फाइनली ही गेटिंग ऑफर्स फ्रॉम 6 IIM, और उसको ऑल 6 IIM से ऑफर आया टू कम एंड जॉइन अस एंड कंप्लीट हिज पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन या MBA फ्रॉम आवर इंस्टीट्यूट। टेकिंग अ स्टूडेंट लोन, शिवा जॉइन IIM कोलकाता इन 2013। स्टूडेंट लोन लिया और कोलकाता का IIM ज्वाइन किया 2013 में। हैंडलिंग हैंडलिंग हैंडिंग द न्यूज़पेपर बिजनेस टू हिज फादर टू रन, क्योंकि न्यूज़पेपर बिजनेस भी बड़ा हो गया, ही हैंड ओवर हिज बिजनेस टू हिज फादर टू रन। हिज क्लाइंटेल हैड इंक्रीज 10-fold टू अबाउट 500। अब कितने क्लाइंटेल, क्लाइंटेल मीन्स लिस्ट ऑफ क्लाइंट 50 to 500 हुआ है। नाउ ही कंप्लीटेड हिज MBA। शिवा Kumar and Shiva Kumar graduated from IIM Kolkata. Now he completed his MBA from IIM Kolkata and now he got a job. He got job offer in an e-commerce company dealing in property. Well-known company, e-commerce company which is dealing with property, offer him a job as a deputy country manager in Sri Lanka. सैलरी कितना है देखो, 6 डिजिट पे इज समथिंग दे फाइंड हार्ड टू डाइजेस्ट, और 6 डिजिट पेमेंट है, इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डाइजेस्ट। उनकी बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत कम थे, उसके बावजूद ज़्यादा पैसा मिला। शिवा फील्स दिस इज ओनली द बिगिनिंग अल्दो एट 24, और ही थिंक्स दैट इट इज़ अ बिगिनिंग। मेरा एज कितना है, जस्ट 24 है, और मेरे पास नियर अबाउट 14 साल का वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है, क्योंकि 10 साल से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ और मेरे पास 14 साल का वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरी बिगिनिंग है। आई वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट माई न्यू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। ही प्लान्स टू रिमेन एन एम्प्लॉई इन द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड ओनली फॉर अ फ्यू ईयर्स टू पे ऑफ हिज एजुकेशन लोन एंड सपोर्ट द फैमिली। क्या प्लान था, 4-5 साल वो अपना यही कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में काम करना चाहता था, इसके लिए टू पे ऑफ हिज होम लोन, सॉरी, टू पे ऑफ हिज एजुकेशनल लोन एज वेल एज टू सपोर्ट हिज फैमिली। देन ही वांट टू स्टार्ट हिज ओन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, and the same organization you want to multiple it. Okay, I want to multiple the blessing I have received, and he want to continue the blessing which is given by कृष्णा वेदव्यास टू हिम। जो कृष्णा वेदव्यास ने हेल्प दिया था, जो इकोनॉमिकल हेल्प प्रोवाइड किया था, जो ब्लेसिंग दी थी, जो मेंटर और गाइड का काम किया था, वो सेम ब्लेसिंग वो आगे बढ़ाना चाहता है, उसको दोगुना चौगुना करना चाहता है, और समाज के जो सोसाइटी के जो गरीब बच्चे, पुअर बच्चे, उनको पढ़ाने का, उनको इकोनॉमिकल हेल्प देने का काम करना चाहता है, और इस प्रकार खुद का और समाज का भला करने का वो सोचता है। इस प्रकार यह एन शिवा कुमार है बेटा। दिस इज अ रियल टाइम स्टोरी, रियलिटी बेस्ड स्टोरी, इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है कि एक पुअर फैमिली का बच्चा अपने लाइफ में कृष्णा वेदव्यास जैसे आदमी का हेल्प लेके आज बड़ा बनता है, और असिस्टेंट डेप्यूटी कंट्री मैनेजर, डेप्यूटी कंट्री मैनेजर इन श्रीलंका। ओके, देखो तो यह इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है, आपको मोटिवेट करना चाहते हैं और आपको आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरणा देना चाहते हैं कि आपने भी, आप हर एक के लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स तो आएंगे ही, बट प्रॉब्लम्स को कैच करके, उसको फेस करके आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। इस प्रकार की यह इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है बेटा। आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट। ओके, नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी आर डीलिंग विथ इट्स क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। थैंक यू।